Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. Further delay, let's start. For that, when you go ahead, open up your TikTok app right over there, and you will find this kind of interface, right? And let's say you want to add another account. You have to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you have to tap on this three menu icon on top right corner again. Tap on settings and privacy, scroll, then you will find the logout. Now if you tap on the switch account, you will tap on add account. Now you can go ahead, choose either you can do it with your email, you can do it with your Facebook account directly, you can do it with your Apple account ID, you can use your Apple ID to create an account. Same goes for your Google account as well. Now if you simply want to go ahead, log into an other account which you already have created, tap on login at the bottom. You will find an account, tap on it, and then go ahead. Once you have tapped on the account, you might need to add the password for it, or these. Once you're done with the puzzle and everything, you just need to wait for a while for it to go. Now when you receive the 6-digit code, add in the code, or you also might need to add a password for some case. Once you're done, you will be able to be in your account, and that is it. That's how it works. And when you simply want to go ahead, you can go tap on this three horizontal lines, settings and privacy, and tap on switch account, switch to another account likewise. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.